Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add buffers to Calendly. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've scheduled a meeting and you don't want to have your meetings back to back. How do you actually set it so that you have a 15-minute break in between your meetings? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is hop into our Calendly account, which looks like this right here. And then we're going to hop into one of these demo meetings here. So we're going to click on one-off meeting 2. Now on the left-hand side, you want to click on schedule settings. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says buffer time. So what this means is that I have a 15-minute buffer time or quote unquote break between meetings. So if I click on this Friday, December 6th day here, if someone were to schedule a meeting at 9 a.m. here, they wouldn't be able to schedule another meeting until 10 a.m. So that's what that means as far as buffer time goes, just because it adds a break between after your meeting. But if you click on this 15-minute after button, you can set the buffer time to be between before events or after events. So I like mine after the events. So you would just click on this toggle menu. Maybe you want to have a 1-hour break between your meetings and then click on save and close. So that right there, guys, is how you actually go ahead and add a buffer time to Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.